Welcome to 306 Southwestern 3rd Street in downtown Grants Pass, Southern Oregon. I'm Shauna Mayfield and I'm going to take you on a little home tour today and check out this cutie listed for $330,000, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, brand new roof, solar panels, energy efficient heating and cooling. Let's take a look. It's really peaceful back here in the backyard. There is a water feature that runs along the back side of the property here in the summer, but it's just adorable because it's functional. The lawn is green, grass is green, and there are plenty of storage spaces back here to host a space for the rest of your needs. And we're back in the front yard, and I just wanted to point out how tidy and nice and clean this front yard is. The grass is super green, and again, you're going to see some landscaped plantings here, and this hedge bush behind me here gives you a nice buffer of privacy where you're not seeing directly out into the street, and it just creates a nice privacy barrier.